Do you feel stuck in your life? Are you unhappy with where you are right now? Do you want to reset your life but don't know how to do it? We've all been there before. It can be really tough to get your life back on track when you're feeling lost or like you're not making any progress. But the good news is that it is possible to turn things around and create a life that you're excited about. In this video, we will be discussing 7 steps that you can take to reset your life if you feel like you are stuck. Let's dive in. 1. Figure out what's holding you back. The first step to resetting your life is figuring out what's holding you back. What negative thoughts or beliefs are keeping you from being successful? Maybe you think you're not good enough or smart enough, or maybe you have some limiting beliefs about money or relationships. Whatever it is, write it down and then challenge those thoughts. Are they really true? What evidence do you have to support them? Once you become aware of your negative thoughts and beliefs, you can start to change them. And when you change your thoughts, you change your life. 2, take responsibility for your actions. Another important step to resetting your life is taking responsibility for your actions. Instead of blaming others for your problems, take ownership and make a commitment to yourself to do better. This doesn't mean beating yourself up or feeling guilty. It just means acknowledging that you have the power to change your life and taking the necessary steps to do so. Remember, you're the only one who can take responsibility for your own happiness, so don't wait for someone else to come and save you. Take charge of your life and make the changes you want to see happen. 3, create a vision board. A great way to stay focused and motivated when resetting your life is by creating a vision board. A vision board is simply a collection of images, quotes, and affirmations that represent your goals and aspirations. When you look at your vision board, you should feel inspired and motivated to take action. If you don't have the time or resources to create a physical vision board, you can also make a digital one. There are plenty of apps available that allow you to create and customize your own vision board. You can find apps for both Android and iOS devices. Simply search for Vision Board in the App Store or Google Play Store and you will be sure to find a great option. 4, set short-term goals. When you're feeling stuck in life, it can be helpful to set some short-term goals to give yourself a sense of direction and purpose. Short-term goals are goals that you can achieve in a relatively short period of time, such as within a week, a month, or a year. Setting short-term goals is a great way to break down your larger goals into smaller, more manageable chunks. This can make your goals seem less daunting and more achievable. Additionally, achieving small goals can help you build momentum and motivation to keep moving forward. When you set short-term goals, make sure they're specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This will help you stay on track and ensure that you're making progress toward your larger goals. 5, take care of your health. When you're feeling stuck in life, it can be easy to neglect your health. Maybe you skip workouts, eat junk food, or don't get enough sleep. But taking care of your health is essential to resetting your life and getting back on track. When you take care of your body, you'll have the energy and focus to pursue your goals and dreams. It's important to make time for exercise, healthy eating, and rest. You can start small by setting realistic goals such as going for a walk every day or eating 1 serving of vegetables with each meal. As you build momentum, you can gradually increase the intensity and frequency of your healthy habits. Don't be afraid to ask for support from friends or family members as you make these changes. Taking care of your health is an investment in yourself and your future. By making your health a priority, you'll be better equipped to handle the challenges that life throws your way and achieve your long-term goals. 6, connect with others. Connecting with others is an important step to take when trying to reset your life. Having a strong social support system can help you stay accountable to your goals and provide you with the emotional support you need to stay motivated. Reach out to friends and family members who you can rely on for help and understanding. You can also join groups or clubs related to your interests to meet new people who share similar passions as you. It's important to surround yourself with positive, supportive people who believe in you and your ability to succeed. When you connect with others, you'll create a network of people who can help you stay on track when things get tough. You'll also have people to celebrate your successes with along the way. Number 7, don't give up on yourself. The most important step to take when resetting your life is never giving up on yourself. No matter how difficult things may seem, remember that you are capable of achieving your goals and living the life you want. Believe in yourself and your ability to create positive change in your life. Have faith that things will work out for you in the end. Don't let setbacks or failures discourage you. Instead, use them as opportunities to learn and grow. Every experience, whether positive or negative, can teach you valuable lessons that can help you on your journey. Remember that you are worthy of love, happiness, and success. Never lose sight of that. With determination and persistence, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Don't give up on yourself. You are worth it. We hope that these 7 steps will help you reset your life if you're feeling stuck. Remember that change is possible and you have the power to create a life that you're excited about. Don't be afraid to reach out for help or support when you need it. And never give up on yourself. You are capable of amazing things. Now we want to hear from you. What are some other ways to reset your life? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with friends that might find value in it too. We appreciate your support and we'll see you in the next one.